Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up data import into Salesforce using CSV templates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, gather your data that you want to import into Salesforce. Make sure the data is organized in a spreadsheet format like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Next, log in to your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the app launcher, often represented by a grid icon. From the app launcher, search for and select Data Import Wizard. In the Data Import Wizard, you will see two options, Standard Objects and Custom Objects. Select the appropriate object type for your data import. Now, choose whether you want to perform a new import or an update. If you're importing new records, click on Add New Records. For updates, select Update Existing Records. After that, click on the Launch Wizard button to begin the import process. In the next window, you will see an option to use a CSV file. Prepare your CSV file according to the Salesforce template. Make sure that the column headers in your CSV file match the Salesforce field names. To do this, download a sample CSV template directly from Salesforce. Fill in your data following the format of the template. Ensure that all mandatory fields are completed correctly to avoid errors. Once your CSV file is ready, return to the Data Import Wizard. Click on the Choose a CSV File button to upload your prepared file. After uploading, review the mapping of your CSV columns to Salesforce fields. Perform any necessary adjustments if the automatic mapping is incorrect. Once satisfied with the mapping, click on the Next button to proceed. Confirm the import details on the summary page. After reviewing, click on the Finish button to initiate the import process. You will be notified when the import is complete. Check the import status for any errors or successful updates. If there are errors, Salesforce will provide a report to help you troubleshoot. Lastly, verify the data imported into Salesforce to ensure accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.